Have you heard of Wise Agent's integration with Virtuance? Virtuance is your go-to real estate photography company for consistent magazine quality images that are scientifically proven to get results. To get started with Virtuance in your CRM, the first thing you'll want to do is from the home screen of your Wise Agent account, click on the Properties dropdown and select Add Property. From this page, you will fill out the property information, add the property to any relevant categories, and then click Save. Now you will be able to click on the Order Photography button, which will take you to complete your Virtuance account. After you have filled in all the information, you will be directed to your Virtuance account, where you can order photography for your property by simply searching the address you wish to collect images for. Once you have received your Virtuance photography, you can add the photos to your Wise Agent property. You'll click the Add New Photos button here. Select the photos you want to add to this property and click Upload. Once these photos are uploaded, you'll be able to do a few things in your Wise Agent account to get the word out about this property immediately. The next thing you can do is create a property flyer with your property photos. Click on New Flyer and select the property you wish to create for your flyer. Then select the template you would like to use. Click Next. Make sure all of your agent information is correct and everything is filled out, and click Next. Now you can download the flyer to use in your marketing. You can also use the Virtuance images when sending out mass emails to your leads. From your account, click on the Email Contacts. You can click on the Properties button for the Email Contacts page and search for the property you are looking for. When you click Continue, it will add it to the body of the email, where you can edit and finalize your email, and then preview a view of it with your branding to send out to your leads. You can also use your Virtuance images in digital ads. To do so, click on the Marketing dropdown and click on Digital Ads. From here, you will want to click on a template you'd like to use. We will select Just Listed Buyer Leads for this example. Click Get Started, and this will bring you to a Create a Program Listings page where you can add your listings to advertise. Once you have selected the listing you are working with, the ad will automatically start to populate information and even images if they are attached to your property. Make sure you have included a URL in the lead form settings. This is required so people are directed to the landing page you'd like them to visit from your ad. Then click Next to pick your budget and schedule your ad. When leads click on your ad, they will be added directly to your CRM. You can also create a single property landing page to add your Virtuance photos to. To do so, click on the Marketing dropdown and select the Landing Pages tab. Scroll down through the templates and click on the Single Property Page template to start. Click Create and name your landing page. You can add a page description and select the source you would like to add it to. Then click Create. From here, your landing page template will appear where you can edit any images within the landing page to be your Virtuance images. Once your landing page is saved, you can turn it to active and share the landing page with your leads, or add your URL to your marketing campaigns to further your reach. These are just a few ways to get your Virtuance photos in your Wise Agent to market your listings easily. If you have any questions, please contact our support by calling 480-836-0345 or clicking on the Contact Us button in your Wise Agent account.